Good morning to all of you. So today your revision second and third. So today I will give revision from grammar book, the sentence. You know that already have made some questions. So I request to all of you, whenever you got questions, so you find out the answer from your book only. Okay. Suppose when we want to express our thought, we use group of words. A group of words make complete sense is called sentence. Like this one example definition I had given you, so you have find out what definition is that. But in revision I given to you very short questions, not MCQ type. This only question answers, short ones. So you do that, and you read this paragraph, this sentences, these examples, and then the first word of sentence always begin with capital letter. The word in sentence must be in their proper order. A sentence ends with full stop, mark of interrogation, or a mark of exclamation. The phrases, what is the phrase definition, examples, and all the lines which are given in this book. These group of words make some sense, but not a complete sense. Hence, these are phrases. A phrase does not have a verb. A sentence can be made longer by adding a phrase. For example, the girls were playing, like that. And you can see this one are fully. And this note also you note down, which is given in 3 categories and then 3 points. The clause, what is clause also, clause definition, kinds of sentences. Okay, each line is very important. Okay, so what is the assertive, positive and negative sense, okay, interrogative, imperative. So kinds of sentences, how many kinds of sentences? 4 are there. So this 4 all you learn it. Kinds of sentences one by one given it is. Inside of this one, what is the assertive or declarative sentence, example, definition, note also which is given in this book. So each line is important, so please each line you read it. Okay, and this one interrogative sentences, this note also which is given in book. Okay, imperative and imperative a command sentence, imperative को हम command sentence भी कहते हैं, ठीक है. And its example also you can see, exclamative sentences, happy and sad we said. Notes also learn it. Okay, all the examples learn it. Okay, and in your revision I had given some sentences. You have find out which sentence, kinds of sentences, you in front of that sentence you write the correct answer. Okay, like it is a request one, so imperative sentence statement. Suppose this one, do your homework regularly so as you get better marks in exam. So this sentence give you the advice, so it is called a imperative sentence. Exclamative sentence, what a wonderful country India. So which type of sentences? Exclamative sentences. Like this sentences are given to you, find out and write the correct sentences answer. Okay, and notes also read it. This wrap up you also read, is very also important because some short answers also here, and this one also you do in your copy, you already have done. So these all the things you have seen. So today I given this much revision from this chapter only. So I hope you understand. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, in online classes also we will see some revision, and then I will ask you some question which is I given to you. Okay, so this is your sentence chapter completed. Next video I will give about next one, your subject and predicate, and then some question from your course book. Almost your revision is done, and please you prepare nicely all the things. Okay, so take care, find out these answers and do in your copy.